One must accept the utter vulnerability of unknowing, of acting as if one were faithful, for only when one acts in this way does the process of spiritual evolution accelerate, so that one may eventually have immediate experiences of tabernacling with the Creator. It is this immediate experience of unity with deity which informs one's faith. Those moments upon the mountaintops of your experiences within the incarnational pattern are precious gold to be treasured within the memory and to be brought to remembrance again and again. For faith does not have its place upon the mountaintops. Faith has its place in the valley of the shadow of death, if we may quote from your holy works. Thusly, one acts as if one has faith, and in so doing is faithful. For nothing can be understood or known. This is very important to realize within your illusion.